these cats are too darn smart. So I have an air purifier in this room, and I turn it off when I do my Advent. And as soon as I turn it off, the cats come out of nowhere. They know when I turn it off, I'm gonna do the Advent. So, and this is not yours. So happy, what are we on? December 14th. Can I have this? Can I have this? Thank you. Danny, we just got back from the vet. It's Danny's turn for the vet today. And this is a pear. Really, really good. But not for you. Not your turn yet, Sage. Not yet. I'm just finishing that pear chocolate. And I think that was the first pear chocolate I had because that was so good. It tasted exactly like pear. What do we got in this big Christmas tree? I bet it's gonna be something good. It's another ornament. This is a new wrapper. I don't remember one being pink. You wanna swat it around? You can't eat it, but you can swat it around. All right, Nutmeg, we're gonna do these cakes next, okay? And then I'll go get your Advent calendar that you're so patiently waiting for. Sage is back. Here, you want this, Sage? You can't eat this either. It's the brandy one. You definitely can't eat it. All right, I'm gonna go put those away and get you your Advent calendar because I don't trust you around these. All right, it's your turn, cats. 14. Sage, you got this? You got this one? No? Oh, it's the chewy bits. We like these. You like these. I personally don't like these, but the cats do. Hold on. I don't want to cut you. Give me a second. There we go. 1, 2 for you, or 3. I can't count. Sage right there. Right there, Sage. Oh, Felix is. Come on, Felix. Come on, Felix. There's space. Jump up here. There's space. You don't want to jump up. Here you go. There's 2 for you. And then, who is this? Jack? Here, Jack. Right there. Nope. Jack. Right there. Right there. And then the last is for Sally. I have her in the tent eating separately. And don't eat. Day 14 for the Christmas tree. I get a little confused on which side they change. Jack, this one's not edible. I have to tell you this every day, but this one's not edible. And today is the little vampire boy bat thing. That's adorable. Jack, do you like that? Oh, no. No chewing on my tree. Come on. Don't be rude. I want to keep this without kitty bite marks on it. Is that possible? Is that possible? Merry Christmas.